Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Calorie Buildables. Okay guys, so today is Thursday. As you can see, I got most of the all the parts that I think the Mini Cooper needs. So I'm gonna start rebuilding it. Hopefully I have all the parts and hopefully I'm not missing anything, but I will not know till I try to put everything back together. So hopefully everything turns out okay. I do want to turn it on already, but I want to install the radiator, everything that needs to be installed, turn it on, and connect the Carly adapter to see what's going on with the car, and hopefully get to drive it. Today's Thursday, so around 3 o'clock, so hopefully I get something done today. I still got a couple hours, maybe like 3 more hours of daylight, so hopefully everything goes out okay. Let me know what you guys think so far. I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod and we'll continue rebuilding this thing. Okay, so we have all the screws, all the bolts that came with the car, so it's gonna help me a lot. Okay guys, check this out. I got it in place. I still need to bolt it back on. Right now it's just hanging. To tie this fender right here too. But everything else seems to be okay. I just need to figure out where do all those connectors go, those hoses, where does this one sit, and we'll see. It's getting there guys, it's getting there. Let me know what you guys think so far. What's up guys, today's another day. Let me show you guys what I've done on the Mini Cooper. I got most of it installed already, so now it's time to try to start it before I put out the bumper cover and the grills and stuff like that. So let me show you guys. Let me turn the camera around. Okay guys, there we go. The lights look a little bit a gap there because the hood's not latched. There we go. So it's a lot better now. I'm kind of having trouble on this side though. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not that bad, but I mean, it looks alright. This one looks better though. So like I said, everything's there. Everything's plugged in. I'm still looking for a spot to connect that AC. These little hose right here is loose, and I can't find a spot where it goes. Everything's where it has to be. So that's just hanging there, man. I still need to look at where that thing goes. but that doesn't affect it for now for the driving. So I'm just gonna try and start it, add some fluids and stuff like that. So yeah, guys. Okay guys, we're gonna try to start it. Hopefully it starts right up. I'm looking for the spot where I could jump start it, but I can't find it. So maybe it doesn't have it. You guys probably maybe know already that it may not have it, but I'm still looking for it. So let me see if I can get it. Okay, so we got power. Let's see. Okay guys, so it's running. Okay guys, now it's time to take out my handy dandy notebook. Supposedly this is for BMW and Mini guys, so I'm gonna try it out. I do have a check engine, so let me see what that means. I just need to find where this thing goes, and it goes right there. Okay guys, so I did manage to start the car. I checked the codes and the car's overheating. So I went to the fuses and found this. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Well, it's a 40 amp fuse that for the radiator fan, I believe it is. So the radiator fan wasn't going on. So something's not wrong. Something's not good, I mean. So I'm gonna look for this fuse. Hopefully this takes care of the problem. Okay guys, as you can see, the car is on, and what's even more cooler is that check engine light is gone. I still have that light on, but that's because of the tire being pretty low back there. That's what he's telling me right there. Stop carefully. For run flat tires with RSC symbol, you can continue driving with max 50 miles per hour for a limited distance. Refer to important information in the owner's manual. Note, adjusting tire pressure. Tire pressure and not resetting TPM could be a reason for this message, including after changing a tire. So I'm cool with that. Good thing is that check engine light is on. It's off, I mean. I'm waiting to see if the fan goes on. It hasn't, but hopefully it doesn't overheat no more. It's getting there, starting to have shape of a Mini Cooper. and I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Go to the comment section, guys, and let me know what you guys think so far. So remember that I still need to work on the bumper. I fixed the hole that was right there. There's some scratches, but I still gotta put the lower balance, this one over there. I'm just putting everything right there for now. I'm gonna have to remove the bumper, maybe to paint it, or maybe I'll paint it where it is. But let me know what you guys think so far. Okay guys, let me connect this side. Okay guys, there it is. I still gotta work on the bumper. Like I said, it's broken, so I still need to work on that. I'm just putting it together right now, so I could probably go to DMV, pay for the plates, get the braking lamp inspection. That light's not working, so I gotta replace that one right now, and hopefully get a permit so I could start driving it. And in the meantime, keep on working on the stuff that needs to be worked on. So yeah guys, it's getting there. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I got most of it done. I still need to tighten the balance down there because it's loose, so I just tighten the screws up. But that's pretty much it for this video guys. Hopefully you guys like it. Subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment, share, like, and see you guys in the next one.